Hello, friends. Hey, Charlie. Charlie, say hello. Hello, friends. All right, my buddy Charlie over here. We're breaking out a new one. Happy holidays, by the way. We're breaking out the one from Trougs. I'm not sure who gave it to me. I think it's my buddy Phil. My buddy Phil. Blizzard of Hops. 6.4% ABV. I'm unfamiliar with it. I do know that it is brewed in Hershey, Pennsylvania. So next time you go to Hershey, you might want to skip the chocolate factory and skip the amusement park, because I know they got a perpetual. You've seen us talk about that one before. Blizzard of Hops. Is that? That's not too bad. It's got 4 kinds of hops in there: Eldorado, Chinook, I don't know, Cascades, something like that. At the holiday season, I suggest you find some Blizzard of Hops at your local market. And look forward into 2020. I think we're going to see some beer reviews from around the world. Happy New Year. Adios, amigos.